Hello, my name is David Wills from ReviewEpic.com, and I would like to tell you one of my favorite stories I have ever heard. It's about a man who was at one of the lowest times in his entire life, and the story of how he was able to completely turn his life around. This man went from being thousands of dollars in debt to being able to pay off all of his bills, living a completely debt-free life. So, who was this man? This man was me. It's true. I was ashamed of myself, worried that I was going to lose my house, and have to go through the shameful, degrading process of moving my wife and daughters back into my parents' basement. It was a late afternoon, and I had just gotten home from my job as a saw operator, cutting fiberglass for a small factory. My bank account was negative, and I was in debt to multiple credit card companies. I was living beyond my means and could not afford the mortgage for our house anymore. I felt like a complete failure. So I went ahead and started my usual routine of logging onto the internet and searching for ways to make money online. And, as usual, I wasn't able to find anything remotely close to a legitimate way to make money from home. I was just about to call it a night and go to sleep when I ran across an article describing something called market research. I learned that multi-million and multi-billion-dollar companies are spending billions of dollars every year educating themselves about the average consumer. And one of the ways they do this is by paying us to take surveys. I immediately jumped right in, and now I'm earning $500 to $3,500 a month just for giving my opinion. I couldn't believe it, but this is real money, and I'm earning a real income. My life has completely turned around. I went from being severely in debt with a negative bank balance to paying off all of my debts, being able to comfortably live a great life, easily pay bills, and save up more money than I ever have before. I want you to imagine waking up in the morning and grabbing some coffee. Then you get on your computer to see what paid surveys are available for you. Scroll through and pick out a couple of high-paying surveys, maybe $20 to $40. Finish these surveys and you've already made some money before you even finished your breakfast. Or maybe you're like me and you have children, so your days are super busy. Well, once you put the kids down for bed, you can jump on the laptop for about a half an hour, knock out a couple of surveys, and earn some quick cash before you call it a night. It really is as simple as that. There's nothing better than being able to succeed while enjoying the comfort and quiet of your very own home. You can complete surveys while you watch TV or listen to music. You could even complete surveys while you're chatting online or talking to friends on Facebook. What's better? You can even see exactly how much you will be paid before you take the survey. Here is an actual screenshot of one of these research panels. You just log in, choose the survey, and get paid. Check it out. With this research panel, all you've got to do is scroll through and pick what survey you'd like to take. They actually tell you how much money you'll earn before you even start the survey. It couldn't be any easier. You may be wondering what kind of surveys you will be taking for cash. Well, let me tell you, these are very simple surveys that even a child could complete. They are only going to ask you questions about your shopping habits, what products you choose, and why you choose those kinds of products. For example, we have survey number 892, Water and Drink Purchase Habits Survey. Number of total questions is 11. First question, how many members currently are living in your household? There are 5 answers from 1 to 5. You choose one answer. Next, the second question is, do you or members of your household purchase carbonated soft drinks? Choose yes or no. Then the third one, if so, which soft drinks do you or members of your household regularly purchase? All you have to do is click on the box with the most appropriate answer. It's easy, isn't it? I've been earning cash day in and day out just by taking simple surveys like this one. Simply give your honest opinion and get paid. You can have the option to withdraw cash in your PayPal or checks sent directly to your home. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the survey program at the description and get paid today.